Creosote buildup in your chimney can get seriously out of hand even if you think you're cleaning it regularly, and that's a huge fire risk you definitely don't want to mess with. So, even if you're sweeping your chimney every once in a while, creosote can still pile up because it's sticky and grows faster when you burn wet wood or don't get a hot enough fire going. Make sure you're always using dry, seasoned wood because that cuts down on smoke and creosote. When you light a fire, get it roaring hot so the smoke doesn't stick as much inside the chimney walls. Try to keep an eye on how often you use your fireplace. If it's heavy use, the buildup happens quicker. If your chimney's not pulling air right, or if the flue is partly closed, that can trap smoke and help creosote form. Don't skip the professional chimney inspection every year, even if you clean it yourself. They catch things you might miss. You can also get a creosote sweep log that helps loosen up buildup between cleanings, but don't rely on it alone. And remember, if it's been a while or you're seeing black soot patches, call a pro to check it out before it becomes a bigger issue. One of the biggest mistakes people make with creosote buildup is not burning the right wood, which makes the problem way worse fast. Switching to dry hardwood fixes that. Another common issue is thinking a quick DIY sweep is enough, when a deep clean by a professional is what actually keeps your chimney safe and clear. Lastly, folks often ignore the signs of poor draft or blocked vents, which traps smoke and speeds up creosote growth. Fixing vent blockages or adjusting the damper usually solves this. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find reliable, local contractors who know their stuff about chimneys and fireplaces. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with people who need their services, making sure everyone gets the right help for the job.